Hello friends, this is Ravi here. We are here to discuss few charts. So the overall market is very bullish, and I think Dow also closed some 400-500 points up. So there is a lot of bullishness in the market, and the Nifty Bank index has also turned positive. So it has now started outperforming Nifty 50, and if Nifty Bank is also going to contribute in this bullish run, I think we might see another 400-500 points in Nifty. So that is the kind of bullishness that is happening in the market right now. So without wasting much of time, let's get to the charts. So basically, I have shortlisted all the candidates which we would want to discuss uh, in this video. So these are the stocks from the sectors which are outperforming Nifty 50 and are giving us a kind of affordable entry, right? So that's the normal setup that we generally discuss. So let us get to that set of stocks and let us discuss that. Yeah, so Astral, just let me plot the 45-degree trend lines. It's a beautiful chart of Astral. It gave a double top buy here, right? So double top buy was at 2308 and it is currently trading at 2338. So even if we have missed this entry, we can also enter on the continuation pattern. Obviously, it will increase our risk, but if you see the chart, you'll see that there is a lot of bullishness, right? So we have this consolidation, and the consolidation was broken by by an anchor column. Then we saw a small retracement. So this is a bear trap where you got a double bottom sell and it was followed by a double top buy, right? And now the 45-degree trend lines are also breached, and there is a continuation pattern, and we have got a double top buy now. So continuation is at 2378, and we can also maintain the same stop loss which is at 1933. Please understand one thing, it is not necessary that if we keep stop loss it is going to hit. It may hit, we do not know, but uh, a lot of times I have seen that the stop losses, do not get triggered, and particularly in such kind of bullish market. So it is always good to enter with a stop loss, obviously, but don't get worried that if I'm keeping a stop loss for any stock, it is going to, definitely going to get triggered. It doesn't happen that way. So recently, I have shared a tweet about the charge that I have put on Twitter from last 3 months, I guess. So none of my stop loss have triggered in last 3 months. Okay, and overall portfolio was up by some 7.5%. Obviously, I did not trade in all those stocks because I have deployed my capital in other stocks and I didn't get any exit through a stop loss. So I didn't have uh, investment to do. So that's why I didn't trade them. But I have a lot of them in my portfolio. So point that I was trying to make is that it is good to have stop loss, but it doesn't mean that it is going to hit every time, right? Okay. So Astral is a very nice chart. I mean, this can be traded, right? Caply point, yeah, it is going. Yeah. Let us just look at the chart. So we have seen some bearishness here, then there was consolidation, then bearishness, and this is my favorite pattern, which is called as a climax pattern, wherein one anchor column was negated by another anchor column, and then there was a follow through. And then we have seen this anchor column, then retracement. I mean, this was a huge retracement. And then we have seen another anchor column, and now there was kind of there is a lot of volatility. If you see the number of O's and X, well, you know that's there, right? So just imagine if the volatility goes down from here, and whenever it gives a double top buy, and we get a huge anchor column. Uh, we are just expecting that to happen. I'm just saying I have seen the charts wherein there is a lot of so there is a bearish pattern, then there is a consolidation, and then there is a lot of volatility. So this is volatility, right? A lot of X's and O's. Okay, and then either the bulls or the bears will have control of the stock, and then it travels its journey upward or downward, depends on who takes the charge, right? So in this case, the chances of uh, bulls taking the control are high, right? Because it is bullish. So Kepler point, yes, double top buy will be triggered. Why is it not showing left? Yeah. So 980 would be a double top buyer, right? With a stop loss of 687. So it's quite far from the current price, but you can always put an alert for the stock, and whenever that triggers, you can just look at the chart again and get into the trade with a stop loss. So 687 would be the stop loss, and double top buy is at 980. CSE, this is one of very nice stocks fundamentally. So I'm not a fundamental analyst, but little bit I know that one of the this is one of the best fundamentals companies, right? So to the left, you have seen a lot of bearishness. Okay, so the stock went from 1172 to 39, 34, 39 times. Okay, so and then it took a support, and we have seen a continuation double top buy here. There is no sell signal after this anchor column, right? We have seen this was at same level, then we are receiving we can see the higher low formation here, and now this is giving us a double top buy, which is at 94.83. So it's hardly 1 rupee from the double top buy, and we have the stop loss of 70. What is the stop loss level? Let me show it for you. 81.8 would be the stop loss. And yeah, this we discussed this in last video as well. It gave a double top buy at 1135. So price is above 1135. You can enter now as well, or you can enter at the next box, which is at 1169. So 10 rupees from here, you can enter that as well. Equitas here, it is to give us a double top buy. I think this double top buy was triggered, but the price did not sustain uh, on a EOD basis. So we did not. So I didn't enter because I wait for EOD price for any entries that I make. So Equitas did not sustain the 139 level after 315, so I did not enter. But whenever that happens, I would surely enter. So double top buy is at 140 rupees and stop loss would be 113. Uh, Superb. I mean, this is a very nice chart. So this is a principle of polarity wherein the resistance acts as a support and vice versa, right? So in this case, this was the resistance at around 112 or something like that, and now it is taking support here, right? So price did not break this resistance and it took a support on that, and now we have a double top buy. So this is a very good combination, right? So yeah, Equitas is good. HDFC Bank, yeah. So if you are getting, I've seen ICICI Bank chart as well. So ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, these are top banks in Bank Nifty, right? So if you see a double top buy pattern in these banks, and Nifty Bank Nifty constitutes of I think 7 8 banks, right? So you can see the bullishness that is happening in the market, right? So I don't know. I mean, Bank Nifty, I think that it is going to go. I don't know what levels it is currently, but I can see a lot of bullishness in Bank Nifty as well. So yeah, SDFC has given a double top buy on 3% chart. It's a good sign for those who trade in Bank Nifty and are bullish about it. So yeah, so let us just see what has happened with the stock. So this huge anchor column, which is bearish anchor column, is the column which was there during the COVID correction, right? And then we have seen continuous patterns, another continuation pattern, and HDFC Bank really do not have to worry about fundamentals. So yeah, so we can enter. The double top buy is at 1667, which is triggered currently. We can enter with a price or with a stop loss of 1356. Can wait for the continuation box, which is at 1770. HFCL, so we have seen a broadening pattern here. So this anchor column, we had a double bottom sell, and which was followed by a double top buy, and now this would be a follow through to it. So double top buy is at TTB is at 81.8, so 82, you can assume this as 82, and stop loss would be 70.5. It's a nice chart, nothing to worry about. Hindustan Zinc, so we've seen a turtle breakout here. So it was quadruple buy here. Now we can get a double top buy at 348, which is not very far, and this stop loss would be 300. Hindustan Zinc is a very nice stock, so we can always enter with this kind of affordable risk. India Mart, is in consolidation mode from a lot of time now. It has given a double top buy, and if this high is taken out, I think it will go. I think this would be lifetime high as well, right? If this is open. So yeah, PMOX's indicator is good, nothing to worry about, and we can have an affordable entry as well. So we can wait for this anchor volume to be taken out, which will happen at 9826. So that's 400 points from here. But that's okay. I think that would be 3-4%. No, that will not be. Yeah, 3-4%, not more than that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, KPR Mills is one stock which is really good momentum, right? There's hardly anything to speak about this chart, right? From this double top buy or this double top buy, there is literally bullish momentum in this stock. I think this has also split because this was one stock which I discussed in I think my second or third video. So yeah, I think this is one of the best stocks currently, and you can always trade this, and the entry is very affordable. So double top buy is at 482, which is 10 points from here, and the stop loss would be 415. This stock is not to be missed. Oberoi Realty, yep, the sector is like very bullish right now. So continuation patterns are seen. You're seeing that Oberoi Realty has offered a lot of affordable entries. We would have wanted this anchor column to be taken out, so that was taken out here with a trickle top buy. It was also an affordable entry, and then continuation patterns here. Every time only 3 box reversal. This is one of the beautiful charts that I have seen. So this is really good. Also, we can also enter here in case the double top buy is triggered at 790, 980. Sorry, 980 with a stop loss of 845. PEL has given a double top buy. The stock is in uptrend. So here I could see a bear trap. Now this is a bear trap follow through, and now this is an anchor column follow through. So double top buy was triggered at 2839, which is the current market price. You can always enter with that price. You can do that once the market opens, and I would also trade this because on during the market hours, because the price has sustained, right? We can see a double top buy, so price has sustained about 2839 for some sessions, and then there is some retracement which is hardly anything right now. So we can enter with a stop loss of 2449. Suprajit, yeah, Suprajit has also given a double top buy, so it's a Suprajit is in bullish territory for a while now. So it has also given us a double top buy, which triggered at 358. Now the stock is 380, and continuation box is also hardly 1 point from the current market price. So the entry will not be affordable because I've seen that only already there are two x's plotted, and then this will be third x which will be plotted. So I'll wait for retracement and then I'll enter. Yeah, so that's it guys. Another lengthy video. I'll have to work out a way to shorten the length of the video, but whenever I see charts I like to discuss it. Yeah, but I understand that the length of the video also matters. Let me work that out in coming videos. Yeah guys, so uh, if you have any queries about the stocks that we have discussed, or any stocks that you are holding and you want to invest, I can always give you my perspective using these charts, right? And I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so uh, whatever discussions that we do here are only for studies and discussion, right? So if you want to trade any of these stocks, please get in touch with your advisor. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and always keep a stop loss while you are trading. Thank you. Bye.